Greetings, this is an introduction movie to ITD122, the systems and software that you need to be successful. So we're going to start with what systems and software we use in this class. And the two main systems are Blackboard and SimNet. Blackboard is where you always start. You always go into Blackboard and then into the ITD122 class. And then from there, you pick what it is that you're going to work on. So in Blackboard, the starting point for all materials and assignments, you complete the Start Here assignments in Blackboard, and that would be the syllabus quiz and the honesty and learning quiz. Those are both in the Start Here folder under Lessons. They are both done that first week, and there are multiple choice, true, false questions, 10 questions for each quiz. The assignment, the quiz answers are found in the syllabus document, which is also in the Start Here folder. Then the other thing that you complete directly in Blackboard are the 4 general computer assignments, and they're sprinkled throughout the course, usually in the first or second chapter for a product, and there's 4 of them: computer concepts, computer ethics, computer impact on business, and computer crime. Those 4 assignments you get directly in Blackboard. There's a little lesson for you, and then at the end of that lesson is a quiz or an assessment, multiple choice, drag and drop, those kind of things. And the answers for those quizzes are found directly in the material that you just went through. So it's highly recommended you take some notes. Then everything else is done in a product called SimNet, and that is the McGraw-Hill product that comes with your textbook. That's why you got the little code. And you can choose to have the book and the ebook in SimNet, or you can just have the ebook in SimNet. No matter what, you need that SimNet code. Whether or not you choose to get a physical book is up to you. So in SimNet, you're going to look at your ebook, and that's the electronic version of your textbook. You're going to complete the Let Me Try assignments, which are sprinkled throughout that Sim book. You're going to get the instructions for the pause and practice assignments. You're going to submit the completed assignment in SimNet. The guided project will be in SimNet. That's where you get the start files, the instruction files, and submit it. Then there is a chapter quiz, and that so the pause and practice, the guided project, and the chapter quiz, you don't do those for the Windows chapter, the first chapter. Only when we start Word Chapter 1 do those pick up. And so the chapter quiz is 12 questions, multiple choice, true, false, taken directly from the text. Then there are product tests, one for Windows, one for Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. Those are completed when we're done with the chapters for that product. And then there is a comprehensive, somewhat final project. It includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It does not have an Access component in that comprehensive final project. So that's the divide between Blackboard and SimNet. And I guess the biggest thing is always begin in the Blackboard, and that will take you where you need to go. So then what's the workflow that you need beginning with the Word Chapter 1? First thing is to read the chapter, and that is either in the physical book or the ebook or a combination. Once you read the material, you want to complete the Let Me Tries, which are in the ebook. They're little, as you're going through the reading, there'll be a little button that'll say Let Me Try. You'll complete that. There's another movie on how to do that. This is just really an overview for you. So make sure to watch that movie on how to complete the Let Me Try successfully. Once you do that, then you're going to, the second thing would be to watch the pause and practice help videos or attend class. So if you're online, you would want to watch those help videos that would walk you through the material of the chapter. Or if you're in class, your lecturer would do that for you. So either or. Or both, really. You could go to class and then you could use the help videos if you aren't sure about something. Those help videos are in Blackboard in that chapter's material folders. So there's a help video folder. Within that, there'll be the pause and practice videos and the guided project videos. So then you're going to complete that pause and practice assignment. You'll submit that to Blackboard. For pause and practice, it's hand graded by your instructor. You can only submit that one time. Then you would move on to step number 3, and that would be to watch the guided project help videos once again, or attend a class lab day, or a combination of both. You would complete the guided project. Note you can submit that guided project up to 3 times for your best grade. And so there's also videos on how you would do that and how you would improve your score, how you'd read the feedback. The system will only take your highest grade. So make use of those 3 attempts. And then you would, once you have all of those done, you would complete the chapter quiz. Note that the quiz is timed for 30 minutes. You can start and stop it. It's 12 questions. All of them are 12 questions. They're all multiple choice or true false. And you can retake that quiz for 3 times, up to 3 times for your best grade. And then the last thing would be at the end of the product chapter. So like Word has 4 chapters. So Word 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end of that 4th chapter, there would be a product test on Word. Okay. And so that's the workflow for chapters Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. So then there are some extra assignments that are there throughout the course. I already alluded to the Start Here assignments, which are in your Blackboard classroom in the Start Here folder, syllabus quiz and honesty and learning quiz. The second would be the general computer assignments. There's 4 of them. So computer concepts, computer ethics, computer impact, and computer crime. And then the last kind of extra assignment that's not, you do it for every chapter, is that comprehensive final at the end of the semester. And so you always want to make sure that you get these little extra things that are sprinkled throughout the course done. So the keys to success for this course are that you read the chapter. Sounds simple, but there's a lot of information in there. And if you're in the classroom, your instructor can't go through every little piece that's in that book. And if there's help videos that you're watching, once again, not every little piece is alluded to in the video. So it really is in your best interest to read the chapter. And then watch the help videos, whether it's because you're in a web class or because you're in a class and you need help at a certain point. Those help videos are there to help you be successful. The other key to success, complete the assignments by the due date and time. Seems simple, but try to, success in this class really depends on time management. Make sure you get the stuff done in enough time to submit it. And then last for the key to success is to communicate with your instructor. Email, call, Zoom, set up a Zoom if you have problems. As an instructor, I love hearing from students, and that's how this class grows and changes. When we find students having the same type of issues, well, then we need to address that issue so it isn't a problem, that it's part of it. So communication with your instructor not only helps you, but helps the class and future students. So I highly recommend that. This slide is about help information. So there's 2 things here, whether it's the help desk here at the college, and they would help you with college things, right? You can't get into your computer, you don't know, something that's about the Stark State systems. Call this number at the 4357 extension. Here's their operations. That can change. Always look at the website. And then don't call Stark State Help Desk for SIMnet. They can't help you. But there is a SIMnet help. And here's the hours of operations. There's 3 ways that you can reach out to SIMnet. There's a phone, there's the online, and the link is here, and then the chat. But before you call SIMnet help, I would just reach out to your instructor. Once going back to that, communicate, because it might be something known or an easy fix. So reach out to your instructors. Everybody's used SIMnet for quite a while, so we're pretty comfortable with the system, so we may be able to help you just lickety-split. All right, so those are help information, and that's a brief introduction to the flow and the groupings for this class, the systems. Best wishes for a successful semester. It is not the end, but the beginning of your journey. Thank you.